Hey, this is Diane from Vermont Lavender, and today I am cutting my coffee soap. This is a chocolate espresso, and it's made with coffee grounds, and that's throughout the soap itself, and it's also on top. So they call this a soap log, and so it's on top and it's throughout the bar, and it really came out beautiful. And so it has nice grooves in it, and that's great for exfoliation. A lot of people like that. And it also looks really beautiful when it's cut. So this is something that if you want to order this, it takes about 2 weeks because I need to make it and then let it cure a little bit so it's safe for shipping. And you could cut it yourself, and you could wrap it and gift it to friends and families or clients and customers that you want to show your appreciation for. I'll let you see the cutting process. So normally what I would do is I would cut the ends of this right here, but I'm not going to do that because it came out so beautiful. And I'm doing a crinkle cut. It's a little hard to cut, so it's curing pretty fast, and it's probably because of the fragrance oil. It has Turkish mocha in it, and actually has a note. It's chocolate espresso. Just made another coffee soap with it's a peppermint mocha, but this one's chocolate espresso. Look at that. Wow. That came out really nice. Look how nice and white that is. And so this will be the back end of it, which is really pretty. And then that's there. And then see how it's nice and tall like that. And so they like it when they rub it on their skin. That came out really nice. Almost like a yellow. Every time I make this soap, it comes out a little bit different. It's really... it's kind of, because it's all handmade, so it's kind of difficult to get the same bar every single time. I guess it does come with a practice, but there's all these different elements that come into factor because you're dealing with chemistry. So that came out really nice. So this will take about 4 to 6 weeks to dry. I'll probably let it go for 4 weeks, maybe 5, and then package it and put it in my gift boxes. And so this will be part of the coffee gift box here at Vermont Lavender. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.